Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expressing disappointment that only 40,000 students have been vaccinated so far. Mr. Holness addressed the matter while also outlining that a new herd immunity target may have to be set for the country. Dwayne Anderson reports.
At the start of the local campaign, about 1.7 million people, or over 65% of the population, needed to be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity against the virus. But Prime Minister Andrew Holness has put the country on alert that the figure may have to be much higher because the virus has evolved.
We are at about 13% of Jamaica receiving at least one dose of the vaccine. That is far, far too low. We are not at a point where the vaccination is having an impact on transmission, and we are way from the 65% needed to attain herd immunity. And with the new Delta strain, it might be that the 65% isn't enough. We may have to go even higher.
The Prime Minister addressed the matter during the St. Thomas leg of his COVID-19 vaccine community tour. He also used the occasion to express his displeasure with the vaccine uptake among students. Mr. Holness reasoned that some parents were not entertaining the opinions of their children regarding the vaccine.
Oh, the last statistics I saw was somewhere in the region of about 30,000. There would probably be about 40,000 now. I'm not pleased with that. I think we can have more children vaccinated. And my personal view is that there are more children who want to get vaccinated, but parents are standing in their way. Now, we can't interfere with the rights of parents over their children. But what we can do is continue the encouragement of parents to get their children vaccinated.
Supporters of the PNP and the JLP in the meantime are being asked to remember that the community vaccine tour is not a political event. The warning comes amidst early complaints from some observers about the presence of party supporters at the vaccine sites and in the communities visited by the politicians.
There will always be persons who will want to show their political support. And I had to be very strong on that in the planning and strong on that today, that there must not be any political characterization of what we are doing today. This is a national mobilization.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.